So this is a white romper, and somebody said give them more details. So guys, if you guys see, I've already did this side is connected, and these is the crisscross top, and I always have the tassel coming all the way down, guys. And also I have this pinned on that side, guys, and this one is going to be a shorter romper. So these is the shorts, guys, and I have one inside the other one. So guys, right sides together, one is inside, so I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna sew, going all the way around here like this, guys, and I'm gonna sew this side down, and then I'm gonna come back and connect the romper to the shorts, guys. Alrighty, stay tuned. Alright, so now after I done hemmed the bottom of the shorts and did the hem going all the way around the arms of this little romper, now we're going to connect it to the back. So when I tell you guys it's only connected to the back of the shorts, so then you take these two pieces right sides together and you line it up from this seam to this seam. And you're going to pin it, and like I said, I only connect it to the back. So in the front of the shirt, when it unties, it can have that mobility to crisscross over. So I'm just finding the key points and connecting it. And then I'm going to sew it down. And then you guys will be able to see the finishing results on it. So if you guys can see, it's only going to be connected to the back of the romper. And I'm doing it right sides together. So I'm going to sew down all of these seams, guys. And then when it's done, I just fold over the front seam, and then that's pretty much it. It'll be all put together, and that's how when I say I connect the back of the romper, but not the front. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So that's what makes it be able to be a one piece, and then you have the ability for it to crisscross over. So if you guys want to make these rompers, you can make them and overlap the shirt over from top to back, but it will not be connected in the front, just in the back. So I'm going to show you guys coming up in 1 second what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, so if you guys can see, that's what I mean when I connect the romper only in the back, not in the front. So now I'm just going to fold this over, guys, and hem this down, and then the romper will be completed. I'm going to try it on and show you guys the finishing results. So if you guys want to make these rompers, go ahead and make it. You guys have an awesome day. Next time you guys see, I will have this romper on. Thank you guys so much. Bye. Of the romper that I made, guys, and this is a no sleeve romper connected in the back. I just grabbed a little white bag, guys, and my wing heels, put them on, and this is the finishing results. So if you guys want to make this romper, you guys can go ahead and make it. And I do have on my little breast things that kind of lift your breast. And these shoes, guys, these wing shoes, I ordered these offline a while back. They're made kind of weird. I guess the angle that they're made. But you just got to level yourself when you're walking, because the heel is slanted underneath there. So this is the finishing result, guys, to that romper. And guys, I am wearing my M's and slim butt lift panties. So if you guys see, I got a nice curvy lift with my buttocks, guys. You see it? And these is the shorter and slim panties that you can get, guys. And it's real. There's no pads, but it just gives you a nice lift So they have them in the booty shorts as well as the brief, guys. And I do have on those tape bra things to give the lift in the other video that I showed you guys. So I probably would do some double-sided tape just to make sure it don't move and kind of reveal that. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of the romper, and hope you guys enjoyed. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.